Okay, Martin Dawson here again. We're now at the final phase of installing the pier. What we're doing is shaping a bell bottom shape at the base of the shaft that we've already drilled down to 12 feet. This tool here is called a belling tool. Engineers call it an under-reamer is the engineering term. And this bucket here is 9 inches in diameter. And inside the bucket there are two blades that are 24 inches in diameter. And what they do is, what the crew does is they take this bucket and drop it down the shaft of the pier, and then once this is down at the bottom of the pier, they push down on this pipe with this machine at the surface, and this pushes the blades out the sides of the bucket. The blades then spin around, the whole entire thing spins around at the bottom of the hole and pushes the clay, the blades push the clay inside the bucket. Once this bucket is filled up with clay, they pull it up to the surface and they have to clean the clay out. You'll be seeing this in a minute. It takes about 8 times filling this bucket up with clay to create a complete 24-inch diameter bell bottom at the base of the pier. If this isn't done properly, the pier will not work, okay? It's very critical that this bell bottom is cut correctly and quality controlled and measured at the base before the concrete is poured. And this is the most important part of the pier. The bell bottom pier is an end-bearing system of support. This bell bottom down at the bottom of the hole, it's 2 foot in diameter, will ensure the long-term integrity of the job and make sure that the weight of the house doesn't push the pier down. The bell bottom also acts as an anchor and resists uplift forces in the soil, which the other systems that are in the market, like the cylinders and the steel pipe, do not have resistance to uplift because they are a skin friction based support system where the contact between the soil and the cylinders is what's holding your house up. When the soil shifts, the cylinders move. With a bell bottom pier, you don't have that because this is solid. It's a big base at the bottom, you've got steel rebar in there. The pier is in one piece once it's poured.